With 2025 around the corner, it's time to update your website's copyright year. But don't worry, you don't have to do it manually or through coding anymore. I will show you how to update it automatically using the Elementor dynamic date tag. The copyright year in the footer protects your site, builds trust with customers, and shows search engine that your site is current. Hey guys, this is Raja from Elementor add-ons. Here I create exclusive videos about Elementor. I used to update copyright year manually every year. What a hassle. In coding, it wasn't easier. But now, there's a better way. For freelancers and agencies managing multiple sites, this tool saves your time and effort by updating the year automatically. Set it up once and it updates every year. No coding needed. So, let's jump in and update your copyright year just like your New Year's resolution. Wow, just take a look at this website design. It looks so modern, sleek, and bold. Doesn't it? The colors pop and the layout is super clean. Everything just flows perfectly. But okay, let's go back to our main focus. So here's the footer. Right now you can see the copyright date in text. Let's get rid of that for now and search for the free heading widget by Xpro. We all have seen websites with old copyright years like 2019 or 2020, but we don't want to do that every year, right? Let's make it easier so you don't have to update it manually every time the year changes. Okay, let me change the text color to white so it becomes visible. If I enter something like copyright 2020 in the text, it works. But the problem is you will have to come back and update it every year. Just imagine doing this for hundreds of websites. Not fun, right? So let's remove it. PS, I have added all the symbols you need in the description box below, like trademark, registered. Just copy and paste. I'm making it as easy as possible for you guys. Now, click on the icon for dynamic tag and from the global Xpro list, select site field. Now click on this wrench and you will see things like site title and tagline, which are great for showing your website's name and slogan. But for now, let's skip those and choose current time. Pro tip. If you want to show your site's title and tagline automatically over here as well, you can select those tags in these fields. Here's the fun part, you get to pick how you want the date to look. In none option, no date at all, only the time will be displayed. Long form date like December 11, 2024. Shows the month name, day and year. Next is without the month name, year first, then the month, and then day. Next, short form dates. Now here's a quick tip about the formats. In the US, the date format is month comes first, that is December. Next comes the day, that is 11th, and finally the year. However, in many other countries, it's the opposite, where the day comes first, then the month and year. I know it can get a little confusing, but with practice, it gets easier. And if none of these options work for you, you can choose the custom option to create your own date format, just like I did. The moment we select the custom option, we can see this custom format. Here, capital F shows the full month name, December, small g, the day it is, 11, capital Y for the year, that is 2024, small g for the time. Keep in mind that it follows a 12-hour format and the small g is for hour, that is 9, small I for the minutes, 36, small a for AM and PM. Pick the one you like the best and you are all set. Easy, right? I only want to display the year, so I'm keeping capital Y only. Next, we've got the advanced settings. Here in the before field, enter the text you want to display before the year. I'm going to paste the copyright with symbol. Make sure to add a space after the text so there is some space between the year and text, like this. In the after field, you can add your website's name or a message like all rights reserved, but first enter a space to create a space between the year and text. You can even add a separator like a bar. It will look like this. All right reserved, designed and developed by WPX Pro. Next we have fallback. This option is super useful if for any reason the system can't fetch the current year, maybe due to a technical issue. The fallback text will be displayed instead. For example, you can set it to show date unavailable, and that will show up if there is an error fetching the data. This way, you always have a backup plan in place, keeping your website looking polished and professional. The dynamic tag is all done. Now style it however you like. I'm only going to change the font, selecting pop-ins from the font family, size 14, weight 300, color white it is, and that's it. Let's have a look. See how easy it was, right? And now you don't have to worry about updating it manually. See how easy it was, right? Now you don't have to worry about updating it manually or through coding. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing videos. And Happy New Year!